this crisis is not just about policies and how things turn out as an outcome of policies. It's also because of how we manage in a regulatory manner, as well as the management of human resources across an organization. Now we have Early coming with her take on the SVB crisis, as well as the entire work culture that changed across US and other economies across the world. So what impact does human resource management have, the work culture have on such a crisis? What is the impact that it could create? So we have our human resource manager, Erlita, address this issue for us.
In addition to Mr. Rishi um, report about Silicon Valley, one of the reason why they said um, the collapse of SBP, some says it's about the culture and the work culture in the Silicon Valley Bank. Some employees are pointing SBP's flexibility of this firm, because the majority of SBP's staff, their work, SBP has 8,500 employees, and they're working remotely, including top executive level. But they said it could lead reduced productivity and significant disruptions in their business operations. But some says, um, finance expert says that it is only a convenient excuse because these issues fails to address the root causes of the problem. So, what likely contributed SBP's collapse was a lack of effective leadership, communication, and management practices. So, there is like a code breaker mindset, they said. Where was the fundamental risk management? Where was the chief risk officer, CFO, treasurer, head of compliance and regulatory? These are interrelated functions that must work together to safeguard a bank and its stakeholders. Did stakeholders read the SBP annual report and audit report issued by KPMG? Yes, KPMG is the one who is managing they are the one who's auditing the bank. Where was the SBP's auditor? What was the role of the board of directors? What was the role of the audit committee, finance committee, and risk committee of SBP? What do SBP regulatory filings reveal? What issues and insights, if any, were reported by the 23 equity research analysts covering and analyzing SBP? Why would SBP customer, especially those backed by venture capital, pull money out and cause a bank run? Did SBP management, including the CEO, thoroughly understand its main customer base and the range of action to expect when there is a fear in crisis? Who benefits from SBP's collapse today and over the medium and long term? So they said this code breaker mindset helps arrive at the root and defining causes. So questions later, if you have, you can ask after this discussion.